Good day, my dear viewers. My name is Mr. Okafor, Akimo's J3 Mathematics Instructor. Last week, we treated a topic termed algebraic expression, and I believe we go extensively to solve the problems and issues involved algebraic expression. And today, we are going to check another topic termed substitution and change of subject formula. We'll ask ourselves a simple question. What is substitution? What is formula? We say substitution is the replacement of one mathematical entity by another equal to the value of the former entity. And for example, during the game of football, we observe that when a particular player injured or is not giving the coach what he wants, the coach will replace him and put another player that will play exactly what the coach wanted. And what is formula? Formula are equations containing variables that stand for specific quantities. The variables are usually alphabets, as the case may be, or letters. So let's check examples in substitution and subject of formula. Let's start. Example 1. Example 1. A squared plus B when A equals to 2 and B equals to 4. So let us solve this. What we mean that wherever we see A, you replace it with 2, and wherever you see B, you replace it with what? 4. So that is what we mean by substitution. Then I have to have 2 squared plus 4. 2 squared is the same as what? 2 times 2 plus 4, which will give us 4 plus 4 equals to 8. That's the answer, as simple as ABC. Then example 2. Example 2. Example 2. We have x squared plus y squared all over z minus 1, where x equals to 6, y equals to 5, and z equals to 1. Sorry, z equals to 3. Let's start. 5 squared, 6 squared, plus 5 squared, all over 3 minus 1. 6 squared is the same thing as 6 times 6, plus 5 times 5, all over 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 5 times 5 is 25, all over 2. Let's add. 6 plus 5 is 11. You write 1, carry 1. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1, 6, divided by 2. Let's divide. 6 divided by 2 will give us, we'll get a wrong answer if you follow that way. So let's take it all together. 61 divided by 2 give us 30. Remember 1. Then that 1, we put point here, add 0 to that 1, we turn to 10. 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. So our answer is 30.0. 30.0. Okay? Let's go on. Example 3.
Repeat that. Start
Sorry.
again.
I should start.
Mm.
Good. 36 plus 25 will give us 61 all over 2. So when you divide, you will get 30.5. 30.5. Let's go. Example 3. A equals to root of x bracket x minus a close bracket open another s minus b close the bracket open another one x minus c. They ask us to find a where s equals to 10, a equals to 4, and b equals to 2, c equals to 5. Let's start. We have a case like this. The root first, s is 10, bracket 10 minus 4, close the bracket, open bracket, 10 minus 2, close the bracket, open again, 10 minus 5. Then 10 minus 4 will give us 6. 10 minus 2 give us 8. 10 minus 5 will give us 5. We will multiply all through. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 6 times 8 times 5. 10 times 6 is 60. 8 times 5 is 40. Let's solve in our row. 60 times 40, 0, 0. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 4 is 24. We have root of what? 2,400. When we add 0, 0, 4, 2,400. Then we have a problem now. The problem we have to find the square root of 2,400. Either if we use this method by factorization, we will not get the actual answer because we have to have something like a point. Okay, 2 going to 2,400 will give me 1,200. 2 go here, give me 600. 2 go here, give me 300. 2 go here, give me 150. 2 go here, give me 75. 3 can go, give me 25. 5 will go, give me 5. 5 will go, give me 5. You see, we have group A, collect this, group B, collect this. Let me put it down so you understand what I mean. A 2, B go, A 2, over. Then I have 5, 5, this side 2, this side 3. So it's not balanced. So we have to make use of our calculator. If you make use of your calculator, you are going to have what I have 48.9999. Then you approximate to have 49. A equals to 49. Okay, example 4. Example 4. Excuse me, example 4. Evaluate root d square minus 2u, where d equals to 16 and u equals to 56. Let's start. D is 16, root of 16 square minus 2 times 56. 16 square, 16 times 16, root of 16 times 16 minus 2 times 52, 56. 16 times 16, let's go to our 2. 16 times 16, 6 times 6 is 36, 6 carry 3, 6 plus 3, 9, 6 and 1. When we add, we have 6, 9 plus this will give us 15, write 5, bring the 1 here, 252. We have root of 256, root of 256 minus 56 times 2, here is 2, 2 carry 1, 10 plus 1 will give you 1, 11, 1, 1, 2. Then let's minus 256 minus 112. 256 minus 112. Here give me 4, here give me 4, here give me 1. So root of 144 is 12. That's the final answer. Then let's go to change of subject formula. Change of subject formula. Let's check the example. Previously I have explained to give you the meaning of subject formula or formula. Let's go to change of subject formula. Let's check our landlord and our landladies. If for example I have V, therefore I have V equals to pi arrow square H. And they say I should make arrow the landlord or the formula. This is our former landlord. And we don't want this man to be our landlord again. This is our new landlord. And this man has to park to this side. And this man will be what? Have to park to this side. There are some certain factors that you have to consider. And the rule says, remember in our class, when plus crossing equals sign give us minus, minus crossing give us plus, times crossing give us division, and division crosses give us multiplication. So this rule will be very, very important. And another one before I forget, root square crosses give us square root. And when root crosses give us square. So let's start. All these things are multiplying this man. So I'll have V equals to arrow square all over pi H. Why? They are multiplying. According to this man, multiplication crossing equals and give us what? Division. Then let's make arrow the subject of the formula. We have V all over pi equals to H. All over pi, V all over pi times H equals to arrow. Then the square root cross will give us square root. So our answer will be arrow equals to root of V all over pi H. Root of V all over pi H. Let me explain again. This is our first landlord. Unfortunately, this man buy the house and turn to our new landlord. So this man wants to leave this place. So he have to pack his load back to this side, while this man turn to this side. So what will happen? This rule will be applied. So pi is times arrow, while H is times arrow. So they are times they will cross over as what? Division. So give us V all over pi H equals to arrow square. And arrow square, according to this man, when square crosses equal sign, will give us square root. So square root of V all over pi times arrow equals to what? Times all over pi times H equals to arrow. So that's why we get arrow equals to square root of V over pi times H. Let's check example 2. Example 2. C plus B as A equals to C plus B bracket 1 plus arrow all over 100 bracket close. This formula is the formula for compound interest. Compound interest. Sorry, not A. C equals
continue.
Okay, C equals to P bracket 1 plus arrow all over 100, a formula for compound interest. Let's start. According to this law I stated before, we are still making use of it. Okay, these two is what I need. This man is times this, it will cross. I have C all over P equals to 1 plus. Okay, C equals to P bracket 1 plus arrow all over 100 bracket close. So we have to make arrow the subject of the formula. We have to make arrow the subject of the formula as the case be. So let's start. P cross is due to times crossing will give us division. We have C all over P equals to 1 plus arrow over 100. Then the next thing that will cross will be 1. Due to plus crossing will give me what? Minus. I have C all over P minus 1 equals to arrow all over 100. So this is dividing. What next we do now is to times. We'll times. This 100 will cross. We have C all over P bracket minus 1 bracket 100 because it's times then equals to R. Our answer, final answer will be C all over P minus 1 bracket times 100 equals to R. We have made arrow the subject of the formula. So with this, we can say we can come to the end of this class. I'll be able to confuse you and make you to understand. So with this, we have come to the end of the class. I'll be able to make you to understand that to make C this or to make the subject of the formula, this loss is important. Please click to the box, submit your assignment and your last form, and try to access the assignment and drop your comment on the platform. Thank you. See you.